Hey loves, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I get my hair from this shrunken state into this nice blowout. If you want to see how I do that, just keep on watching. So I'm starting out by wetting the section of my hair. This section has dried out quite a bit while I was working on the other half. And I'm going to take a medium-sized section from the back and begin working there. I'm taking my Maintain Gold Collection leave-in conditioner. This is from my Dollar Curl Club wash day. If you want to see that, I will link it above and down below. And then I'm going to comb it out because making sure your hair is detangled is important to every blowout. I'm taking my Tresemme heat protectant spray and I'm going in with this. This is my all-time fave, you guys, and I use a lot of it because I don't got time for heat damage. I don't know about y'all. So I'm going in with the star of the show, which is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I'm going to start out with the low setting because I find that this helps to stretch my hair a bit before going in with the high. If I go in with the high setting, automatically it dries out my hair quite a bit before I can even get it stretched enough. And then I'm going to go in with the high setting and I'm going to split the section in half because that's going to help me get it a lot straighter and make sure that every strand is getting that heat and can stretch properly. You want to take your time when you're at the ends too to make sure those are stretched as well. And this is what it looks like when I'm done with that section. It really only took a few minutes. I'd say, 3 to 4 max to do the section. And then I'm going to twist it up, put a scrunchie at the end to make sure it stays out of my way. And I'm going to move on to the next section. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about the product now as I continue this process. So as I said, this is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. So it is shaped as a paddle brush, as you can see, and that keeps your hair tangle free as you're blow drying, and it promises to blow dry your hair in half the time. Honestly, I will say it did just that. Normally I use the tension method to blow dry my hair because I don't want heat damage, but it is annoying to do that because you have to stop every 2 seconds and comb your hair out to make sure that the hair stays stretched and tangle free. It doesn't always blow dry sleek right away, so having to stop and continuously go in with the comb really took up quite a bit of time, and this blow dryer definitely helped me to do it in half the time. So it promises smooth results with less frizz in half the time as well. I also agree with that. Long story short, this blow dryer is the truth, you guys. I really regret not getting this thing sooner. It retails for $39.99. When it first came out, it was $30. But, once literally the natural hair community went crazy over this blow dryer, so they increased it by $10, which still isn't bad. It's still very affordable, especially for the capabilities of the blow dryer. So I will say it's definitely worth it. I want to quickly point out that if I had started out on damp hair as opposed to soaking wet hair, I wouldn't have to pass the blow dryer through my hair as many times. It works best on damp hair. So once I'm done, I just take out all of the sections and run the blow dryer on it again because it got a little crinkled from me twisting the section and putting it away. But as you can already see, my results are really nice, at least compared to my tension method blowout that I did in the past. If you haven't seen that, you should definitely check it out so you can see what I'm talking about. And this is what my hair is looking like. It's thick and full, but still smooth and soft, and I love it. Don't mind my ends, guys. I'm due for another trim, and I'm going to take care of that very soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.